Hi. Today I will tell you what is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency. This is open code, identified by encrypted and anonymous codes. When and by whom was Bitcoin invented? On October 31st, the white paper Bitcoin, Peer-to-Peer Electronic Cash Payment System 2008 was published by a person or group alias Satoshi Nakamoto. On January 3, 2009, the first block in the blockchain was mined, and on February 12, 2009, the first Bitcoin transfer was made between Satoshi Nakamoto and Hal Finney. There are 21 million Bitcoins in total. Do you think everyone will have a Bitcoin wallet in the future? We are waiting your comments.